What is up, y'all, and welcome back to Qui Nichelle on the channel. Y'all know we talk about fashion, beauty, and life, and y'all, I'm bringing y'all a good old Walmart grocery haul. I think everything I got was food besides the toilet paper. So, if you're interested, go ahead and stay tuned. Before we get into the video, make sure that you do like, comment, share, and subscribe to the channel, because y'all know how we do on the channel. So yeah, this is the only thing that's not food. I picked up some toilet paper. And now we can get to the food, because I literally think everything else is food. Okay. And y'all, I'm just pulling this stuff out of the bag. I'm not going in no particular order. Okay, so I picked up some turkey bacon, some regular bacon, and y'all, I get both because we eat both. And when I cook like greens, cabbage, and stuff like that, I like to use like regular bacon. So that's why we got both. Plus we eat both. I got some good old ground turkey. I did get a little ham. I'm gonna cook this. This ham is so good, y'all. I bought a ham like this for, I think it was Christmas. And it is so good. I like this. It's got a good flavor. So I'm gonna make a ham today. Greens and I think garlic mashed potatoes. Okay, so that's that. I did pick up some beef broth. Love me some broth. I do get the chicken one as well, but I like to get that one at Sam's because they have the big one. This was like $6 at Sam's, so I thought that was a good deal. This was about $2 at Walmart. I haven't seen the big one, like the chicken one, so that's why I haven't gotten it. But I did get some beef broth. I picked up some mayo. One of my favorite zero sugar drinks. Barbecue sauce. And y'all, I don't think I'm going to keep any of these bags because we have quite a few bags already. Give me a second. Okay. So, moving along. I got some low sodium bacon bits. Love to make like chicken salad or something like that and put bacon bits in it. Got shredded cheese. I got some kielbasa. I am making red beans and rice and chicken. I think I'm gonna make baked chicken, red beans and rice one day. Either, I think it was Wednesday, baby said he wanted it, or I can't remember. Anyway, I'm gonna make baked chicken and red beans and rice one day. I picked up some hot dogs because we're gonna have chili dogs one day this week. Y'all, this sticker. I got me some Gouda. Y'all know I love Gouda. And I like to shred this up sometimes and put it on stuff or just eat like a piece of it. So y'all know I love my Gouda. And I had to restock our lunch meat because I think I haven't did like a restock in a minute and the drawer is empty. Plus I threw a lot of stuff away that was in the refrigerator. And I don't know about y'all, and y'all could be wasteful, I don't know. But if we have like deli meat and it stay in there like a month or something like that, somewhere in my mind, if the liquid or like the meat juice look cloudy, I throw it away. I don't, even if the date don't say it's old, I don't care. But I did get some oven roasted turkey. And y'all, I like to take these, I like to get the ones that are like this, because I take them out so it can have room in the drawer. And I might eat out of this bowl and throw it away, but I'm not going to keep it that long because I just don't like plastic dishes like that. But say if I use, like, take this out and I'm going to make something quick like today, I'll keep this and then just throw it away when I'm done. I used to keep these, but they so cheap, they just, you know. Then I got this turkey as well. One day we are having Italian sandwiches or whatever. Y'all know me and baby love hard salami. Pepperoni, the sandwich slice kind. And then I got honey ham. So we'll have this for whenever we have random quick, you know, lunch or dinner. Y'all know how it go with a quick little homemade sandwich. Y'all know how that goes. Let me see. Oh, I lied, y'all. This something else that's not a grocery item. I got some dry sheets, and these smell so good. I hope they don't activate my homegirl, y'all, because I be so scared about, like, stuff, like detergent stuff. But, yeah, that can go. And what is this? Okay. I got my red beans. We got rice in the cabinet or in the pantry. I got the pepper blend that I always get. These are for tonight. I'm gonna boil these and then I'm gonna mash them up and make garlic. Oh, and we still got some chives from the other day when we ate the steak, baked potato and salad. So I'm gonna put chives in it. And then I just picked up a cabbage because I don't know. We normally try to plan out for the week, but we only went to like Wednesday. But I know we have like meat in the deep freezer, so we always get those cabbage with something. I got some greens in the cabinet, like canned greens, and I got fresh greens in the freezer. So I just grabbed the cabbage because we eat it all the time, and it could go with chicken, steak, tenderloin, anything that I can pull out of the freezer. So I just picked up a cabbage. What, babe?
We're gonna barbecue chicken tomorrow, right?
If you want that, you want cabbage with barbecue chicken? Okay, so see, there it is. I did get these for whenever we eat the subs. And y'all, sometimes I get the Italian bread, but sometimes I don't because that Italian bread be a little hard a little bit sometimes. And these are really, really soft, even though they like say steak. You know, you can do whatever you want with whatever you want. And then I got me more of these little zero carb little wraps or whatever. And y'all, I like to eat these with like random things. I'm trying to like, y'all see I got bread and these because I'm not 100% off of carbs, but I am like eating these more than the bread and stuff like that. So if Boo get like bread or I get bread, we try to get the half a loaf. Because bread will go bad as well. Like, I think last month I threw away probably 2 half or loaves because we don't really eat it that much like that. I'm trying to get off of it altogether. But these are really, really good. Got a lot of fiber in these that cancel out carbs, so real good. And that is really, I didn't have to get water because baby got one. So we got a full thing of water. Yeah, so that's the haul, y'all. That's everything that I got. I'm going to go ahead and wrap the video up. Make sure you do like, comment, share, and subscribe to the channel. Also, don't forget to tell a friend about Qui Nichelle, honey, because y'all know how we do on the channel. And we are out.